In this video, we are going to watch some very famous motivational quotes by Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was a charismatic pioneer of the personal computer era. With Steve Wozniak, Jobs founded Apple Incorporated in 1976 and transformed the company into a world leader in telecommunications. Widely considered a visionary and a genius, he oversaw the launch of such revolutionary products as the iPod and the iPhone. Here is very first and the most famous motivational quotes by Steve Jobs is "Stay hungry, stay foolish." Again, stay hungry, stay foolish. Focusing is about saying no. Don't be afraid to be different. That's been one of my mantras. Focusing and simplicity. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. If today was the last day of my life, would I want to do what I'm about to do today? And whenever the answer has been no for too many days in a row, I know I need to change something. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. I think the things you regret most in life are the things you didn't do. Being the richest man in the cemetery doesn't matter to me. Going to bed at night saying we have done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by a dogma, which is living the result of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other opinions drown your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Remembering that I'll be dead soon is the most important tool I have ever encountered to help me make the big choice in life. Don't let the noise of other opinions drown out your own inner voice. A lot of times, people don't know what they want until you show it to them. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. You are already naked. There is no reason not to follow your heart. It is impossible to fail if you learn from your mistakes. Don't give up. It doesn't make sense to hire smart people and tell them what to do. We hire smart people so they can tell us what to do. The smallest company in the world can look as large as the largest company on the web. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Your work is going to fill up large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work, and the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. Deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. We are here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even be there? Learn continually. There is always one more thing to learn.